Okay, so this is Shiori Station. It's one of the main stations in Yokosuka. The other one I often use in this area is Yokosuka Chou. So I think it's good to familiarize yourself with this if you move to this area. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I had to bust out my portable mic because it's kind of windy, but I'm thankful for that because it's been very hot. So hopefully the weather will be nice for the rest of the day. Someone asked me to make a video about Yokosuka, Japan because they said they felt like it would have been helpful if there was some sort of video showing them around because they just moved here and they have no idea where to go or like what to do. But I don't live in Yokosuka. I just used to work over here. So although I'm familiar with the area, I don't live over here, but I'm gonna try and show around anyways. I'm gonna flip the camera again. If you want to go clothes shopping or electronic shopping, or maybe you want to see a movie or go to Starbucks, this area pretty much has whatever you need for that. Plus it has some good restaurants inside of this shopping mall area. Usually if my husband and I can't decide what to eat, then we come here and get food because there's so many places we can each order from somewhere different and then eat together. Or if we can't commit to that, there's a sushi restaurant right here. I'm almost done drinking this at this point. It's hot. I'm still getting used to narrating my videos in person. Please let me know if you like the style where I'm talking to the camera better, and I will try to include that more and try to improve. Right now, the main reason I don't do it is because I am pretty shy when it comes to being in front of the camera. So yeah, please let me know in the comments below if you like the style where I am narrating the video voiceover, or if you like it better in the video itself. And then also I included a video there of using the bus for transportation. If you want me to talk a little bit more about buses, I can, but to keep everything very short, I pretty much never take buses because I find them very confusing. But you can use your IC card on most buses to transport from place to place, just like the train. And then for this place, I did actually talk to the camera a bit. The things I do want to say is that this place, the Yokosuka Iris Garden, actually has a free season where you can get in without paying, and that is what I am doing here. This place serene. This is the Yokosuka Iris Garden, and look at this. I'm headed to class in March. I would be probably in a hurry, but I just found out my teacher's train was delayed, so we got time. The question is, should I go and get a snack? Once I realized that I did in fact have enough time, the answer to the snack question was definitely a resounding yes. I would leave the original audio playing here, but the store was playing music and I didn't know if it was copyrighted or not. But I was gonna say I do get these snacks a lot, and I actually tend to enjoy both the little bars I selected. Alright, I think I have to go. I think I've killed enough time. And I think that is going to conclude this video walking around and touring Yokosuka. Hopefully that shows you some of the things there are to do here. If you have more specific questions, then please let me know and I will try and follow up with another video. Anyways, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.